A lot of people know this word, but they don't really know what it means. Think of it as a restaurant. A lot of people know this word, but they don't really know what it means. Think of it as a waiter in a restaurant. When you go to a restaurant, you tell the waiter what you want to eat, and they go to the kitchen and brings the food back to you. An API is basically a link between you and the server. When you make when you make a request to the server, it's the API that takes that request and communicates to the backend. Then the backend will fetch your data according to what the request is all about and brings it back to you. So when you hear about an API, just know that it's a link between you and the server. Just like a waiter, there is a link between you and the restaurant. Thank you. And if you want more videos like this, you can subscribe to the channel and share this video to others. Thank you.